Now let's talk about the belt sanders. So in this case, I just took it out of the box for my other channel in Spanish, but we're going to try to do the same thing here. So as you can see here, we have the belt sander, 9 minutes runtime. Is plenty enough, at least just for the basic. You're not going to use it, like 90 minutes in a row. It's kind of big. As you can see here, you have the different the measurements. Half an inch. It says 18-inch belt, and tool free. That is a good thing. It has a lock mechanism, and it says FPM 800 to 2000. So weight 3 pounds, 18 volts, 3 years of warranty. So I'm going to show you how to use it and how to make it work. It's very easy. You just pull this up, as you can see here, and then you're going to be able to remove the belt. It comes with 3 belts, so different grades, as you can see here. I think this one is 80, as you can see here, 60, as you can see here. This is something in between, I guess, 120, as you can see here. So I'm going to use it to fix plumbing, and when you have to put the shark bite, I think that is why I bought this tool. But if you want to use it for something else, you can. So in order to make it work, you have to put the belt just inside of the plastic, otherwise it will not work. So as soon as you do that, it will fit here fine. If you try to do it the other way, any other way, it will not work. So if you want to do it from here and then try to stretch it and make it work here, it will not work. So like I said before, put it inside, make sure that it's under the plastic, and then it will fit just fine. And after that, close the locking mechanism, and with this you have more speed and less speed. So you push the trigger, that is little speed, that maximum speed. Release it, that's it. With this, you have this, so that way you will turn into one side or the other. At least that is what I was able to see. Is like it's going to make it, farther away from this, or closer away. So I'm going to leave it just the way it is. And like I said before, at least for me, it will work just to clean up the pipes. And kind of small, it's not very tiny, but maybe for tight places, I think you should do it. Otherwise, I may use it for something else. Some people, they were saying that they use it, maybe to fix like a car door, if they have to reach like certain places, or they have to sand to remove all the rust and everything. Some places they may use it, for working on wood or something like that. So in my case, for plumbing, I think that should do the trick. So if you like this type of tools, or if you want me to send you a tool to your country, please let me know in the section below, and just say me, hey, I want X, and I'll send it to you. Just tell me I am in US, for now in Cincinnati, Ohio, and I can ship it to you via FedEx, UPS, DHL, or whatever works for you. So hopefully you have enjoyed this little review, and see you next time.